everyone, my name is Alex Payton and this is how to get hot. So I made a TikTok showing my glow up. Some of you asked me for a glow up tutorial. A glow up is defined as a mental, physical, and emotional transformation for the better. But today we will be focusing on the physical. I am going to be giving you 10 feasible steps to improving your appearance, which will hopefully improve your confidence as well. Confidence is built from the inside out, but when that's not working, so to preface, this is what works on my face, my body, my skin, my overall preferences for what I want to look like. If I am politically incorrect or if I say something offensive, just let me know, educate me. I see a lot of transformation videos and glow up videos where it just seems like people got older and put makeup on. But we want to look good without makeup, right? So, okay. The only thing I have on my face right now is concealer under my eyes. Nothing on my eyebrows, nothing, ew. I hate touching my face like this. I tried to do this video without any makeup on at all, but dark circles is not something I have mastered. The important components of the face are I have dyed eyebrows, eyelash extensions, clear skin, and a tan. I'm going to talk about all of those things in a moment, but the first thing I want to talk about is really interesting. It's called mewing. Mewing is a habit you can develop to improve your facial structure. The tongue placement in your mouth can affect the growth and development of your jaw and face. My resting face, for some reason, my mouth is open or my jaw is open. You're supposed to make sure it's closed. So right now, even if your mouth is closed, are your teeth touching each other? Where is your tongue placement? When you're not talking, eating, or drinking, clench your jaw slightly, make sure your molars are aligned, and place your tongue on the roof of your mouth. And if you're younger, this is important because your face is still developing and still growing. I can make an entire video on this because there's a lot to say about that. Just like you would do exercises for your body, you can do these exercises for your face that will improve your face. Dye your eyebrows. So I dye my eyebrows mostly to feel put together when I'm not wearing makeup, but I found it also helps when I am wearing makeup. It makes my makeup look better too. So I use this product, learned this from TikTok. So this product is supposed to be for men's beards. What I do is I take an angled brush, I apply it in the desired shape. This is only $10 and I've used it 7+ times. I'll probably use it 7 more times. I'm sure there's a better way of doing this by going to the salon or something. It says to leave it for 5 minutes, but I always leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Just because I like them extra dark. Only thing is it fades super quick, probably in like 3 to 4 days. So I'm putting this on every other day. Obviously there's also microblading, but I've gotten my eyebrows microbladed twice and that just does not work for me. Long story. Pause. I've been trying so hard to look at the camera and not the screen, but I keep just looking at the screen and it's stressing me out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look over here. Next, skin. We've got a little glow going on. A little. Everyone needs their own skincare routine, but I do have a little trick. What's on my face right now is this fancy $200 plant-derived youth serum, but I did not pay for this, nay. It is a sample. I have all these super nice samples. I have Sicily. I don't know what this is, but this looks really expensive, doesn't it? This, you know this is nice. Barbara Sturm, whatever, face mask. You know how much these are? I got these ones too. Me and my mom get these samples from high-end stores like Neiman Marcus. I'm pretty sure you can ask for samples, or if you buy something small, even if you're buying something from the makeup counter and this is skincare stuff, you can ask for skincare samples. Always get samples whenever you can. It's not embarrassing. I don't think it's embarrassing. This stuff is really good stuff. I use it sparingly. I keep them all in the refrigerator and I use them occasionally. Next is eyelash extensions. Definitely not for everyone, but when I have my eyelashes, I wake up and I'm on. They are expensive, they are damaging. I would not recommend doing eyelash extensions at home. Been there, done that. Like, I know these aren't good for my lashes, but the other way I was doing it, it was literally taking them out. But if eyelash extensions aren't for you, I would put castor oil on your lashes at night and makes them bigger, stronger, thicker. You know, that's good for long-term, healthy, strong lashes, which I will not have. Castor oil is for patient people. I'm not one of those people. I don't know, eyelash extensions are just for me. Next, tan. Obviously this stuff is not for everyone. There are people that are beautifully fair, people that are beautifully dark. People are always like, Alex, you're light skinned, you don't need to tan. Anyways, pre-Saint Tropez me versus post-Saint Tropez me are two very different people. This is what I'm talking about. This is the Saint Tropez at home tanner. I use dark or medium. I love all of their products. Lately I have been laying out. I love a real tan. And I have some melanin, so it can't be that unhealthy. If you don't want wrinkles, say go that route. Only suggestion with that one is I wouldn't buy a cheap fake tanner. I feel like you can tell when it's cheap. But now that I'm filming this, I'm realizing how not tan I am. I thought I was so much darker. Great. So next is body. I don't work out, so I'm not gonna tell you to. All I do is focus on diet. Over the last month, I toned up a little bit. Every morning when I'm at home, I start my day off with a big ass green smoothie. And at night before I go to bed, I make this apple cider vinegar concoction. The go-to smoothie is a green apple, frozen banana, kale, spinach, water, period. My concoction is apple cider vinegar, a tea bag, lemon juice, hot water, maybe cinnamon. Both these two things really improve my digestion and I think my metabolism too. The smoothie is so simple. It's spinach, kale, green apple, and a banana, water. Yum. Okay, I planned on adding a clip here of how I made the tea, but it looked so disgusting, so like, no, sorry. Next with the body is your posture. I didn't know my posture was this bad until I started making TikToks. I would turn around and my backside was a totally different person. Like, I don't know her. I don't know who that is. But you can see, like, I catch myself like this all the time. Hey guys. I remember when I was little, I would purposely make my posture bad because I saw teenage girls with bad posture. To fix your posture, I would watch YouTube videos on simple exercises you can do. I'm doing this right now. I just do the exercises once a day. Should help. Hopefully it does. Your posture kind of says something about you. I notice when people have good posture. Next is hair. Hair is really important. It symbolizes who you are. It can completely change your look. It gives you a certain energy, a certain vibe, a certain feel. Honestly, I think that good hair can make you go from a 5 to an 8 or 9. I do. When my hair is looking bad, I look bad. I don't mean to put this pressure on you if I am. So for my straight-haired girlies, I recommend a blowout. Get a blowout as often as you can. Blowouts will change your life. If you can't keep getting blowouts, I would recommend learning how to do it at home. Learn how to do it at home with a blow dryer and a round brush. Maybe a couple products. I'm not playing with this one. Blowouts on straight hair give your hair so much body, wave, and movement. I also really love curly hair. I know a lot of my curly haired girls like to straighten it and damage it. Let me tell you right now, there is nothing like beautiful, luscious, curly hair. If you know how to do your curly hair, it just looks so good. Learn how to make your curls bouncy, more defined, the best curl that they can be. Next for my black girls. Please no more relaxers. I know the transition is hard from chemicals to natural. I have 4C hair. I've gotten relaxers my entire life. My hair was so stiff, it wouldn't grow past here until I started wearing protective styles and I stopped with the chemicals. I almost always have my hair in a protective style like weaves or braids. And we're really lucky because we have a lot of different styles that we can do. And I think with our hair, the most important thing we can do is keep our hair healthy. And then for all my hair types, your hair color tone should match your skin tone. So if you have warm tone skin, your hair should be warm tone. If you have cool tone skin, your hair should be cool tone. And if you're neutral, you could do either or. Next we have white teeth. Oh, stop it. I started using crust whitening strips like way too early when you're not supposed to, like 13 years old. However, I haven't used them in years and I think that's because when I drink dark liquids like tea, coffee, soda, I almost always use a straw. I try to use a straw, and if I'm not using a straw, I rinse my mouth with water afterwards. Same goes with things like ramen or turmeric. Oof, if I have one of those things, I'm brushing my teeth. Try to rinse your mouth with water after you eat or drink anything just to get that staining off. And then as far as teeth whitening products go, there are a lot of really harmful teeth whitening products. Most of the teeth whitening products that we can get at the store ruin your enamel. A natural teeth whitening product that does work is just hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. You can brush with it, you can kind of leave it on your teeth for a little bit, or you can get them professionally whitened with that blue light, you know? The crust whitening strips are super fast. You can do that, but I have sensitive teeth now. I don't know if it's because of that, but. My last one is Accessorize. Now, if you're unsure about the accessories you have and they might look tacky, just don't accessorize. It's better to be plain than tacky, you know? Just look at what accessories can do. Hey, I'm Alex, I'm just chilling. Versus like, yeah, I'm Alex. Yeah. Oh yeah, I have to go. I do have somewhere to be. Yes. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. you made it till the end. What up? If you don't already know, this is a brand new channel, so please subscribe. If you have any video suggestions, just leave it in the comments. I'm definitely gonna see it. Maybe I'll do your video idea, and I will see you baddies in my next video.